हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। तो यहाँ पर अभी भी हो रही है बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड और अभी रिसेंटली यहाँ पर स्टॉर्म आया हुआ था, तो स्नो अभी भी काफ़ी पाइल अप है। आफ्टर रिसर्च ये डिक्लेयर हो चुका है कि विंटर अभी 6 मोर वीक्स रहेगी और स्प्रिंग जो है वो थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया है। But I absolutely love to add color and green to welcome the season right into my place. So I'm taking some help from fake flowers to add some color to my home because इस टाइम पर बाहर सीडनिंग करना और फ्लावर्स ग्रो करना बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं है। However, it is quite early to add a spring vibes to your home, but this small change gives you a big difference and uplift your mood instantly. And it gives me something beautiful to look forward to coming weeks. Plants are eagerly waiting for the brighter days. जब भी इसमें कोई न्यू लीव्स आती है ना ऑन माई प्लांट्स दैट मेक्स मी स्माइल. इट इज सो सिंपल बट मेक द होम फील सो अलाइव. Plants also looking for the brighter days so that they will get new life and gives us a positive energy. So I just added a fake flowers to add some colors and the real plants, and this seasonal decor and simple change brighten up the whole area. Since seed potting or planting is not possible outside the house, so we decided to try this indoor veggie garden which help flowers and herbs to grow inside the home. This comes with 12 seed pots and useful accessories so we can grow chemical-free and higher yield organic herbs inside the house. While unboxing it, I noticed that this hope garden design is sleek and easily put in a small area. The looks of the equipment is such a modern plus efficient water and electricity use to lift up your home decor. Basically, this comes with everything you need to get started. It contains 12 seeds growing baskets with natural sponges, plants foods, nutrition and germination cap that help to retain the moisture and warmth for growing. It will aware you the water level indication so you know better when the water is needed to the tank. And the whole setup done without using soil, using hydroponic to give your plants exactly what they need to thrive. Next, I simply place the seeds which are available in my kitchen. The seeds directly go to the seeds baskets and put the cap or dome on, which helps seeds sprout more quickly, and this gives warmth to start the germination process. If you like me who can't wait for the summer and like to have a homegrown herbs, then this system is a game changer. In this box of a hope garden, you will get natural light system, planting panels, rapid growth and the good looks which elevate the home ambience. You will find all the details and the link in the description box. This system is available on both Amazon and a Hope Garden website. The another best part of a home garden system is the full spectrum LED grow light, which actually mimic the natural sunlight to grow the plant even when the weather is unpredictable. The LED bar has an adjustable height, so as the plants grow, we can adjust the height of the LED light to keep them in their ideal light zone. Being a home decor enthusiast, I always do shuffle my seasonal home decor, and for that I always need some good space storage to keep my stuff organized, intact and well in shape. So I found these quickly assembled storage box which is good for many storage. It comes in a sleek packaging, which is best part to keep the box away when not in use. The assembly is so quick and easy, which takes hardly some seconds. It is assembled with interlock panel, so no tools needed. I usually keep the decor or small item in these transparent boxes, which is easy to find them when time comes. I found some holiday season decor left here and there, so keeping them inside the box and grabbing some spring or Easter decor so that I will change them as per the availability. I may take the spring ready home video soon, so please stay tuned on this channel and subscribe it if you haven't yet. These boxes are stackable and these knobs connection designed for stackable stacking and prevent sliding. The capacity of the box is quite generous, which means it has a large capacity to hold the stuff secure and on place. To easy access, there is semi-circular magnetic door which fits in the closet or entryway, plus they won't look ugly. This clear transparent allows visibility and easy to find the stuff which is stored in the box or organized, plus this protect from the dust or any dirt particles. As I said, it is multi-use of storage, so I had collected all the shades or sunglasses and keeping them here so that we will find them on time at one place. Recently we got some new shades from Jeffo sunglasses which are specialized in the model of male and female sunglasses. They have square design with many options of the shades. The frame colors are amazing, which are driven by nature, such as fruitful grapes, roses, bluebirds and many more. These shades are features ultraviolet protection, durability and flexibility, and they offer custom fits. Adjustable temple tips का भी option है, so that different face size पे ये अच्छे से fit हो जाता है. If I talk about the case, तो case जो है ना वो काफ़ी chic and stylish है और ये बहुत से cute pouch में ही आता है. I believe this is a perfect gift for the mom, besties, dad or many more. If you want to check out the sunglasses or buy, you can go through the description box and you will find the link over there. कैपेसिटी की हम ऑलरेडी बात कर चुके हैं, इसमें काफ़ी स्पेस है, सो यू कैन स्टोरेज वो footwear which we don't use often, so we can store them in the clean boxes, so find them when needed, or can we organize those seasonal pairs. It is good to keep at the entryway so that we can switch the footwear while coming or going out. That is perfect for under the shelf storage to use maximum vertical space. So guys, that's all for today's video. Now I'm gonna show you the day 2 growth of the seeds, and they have started already sprouting. So yeah, this could be a good option to buy to grow your herbs or flowers inside your house. On this note, I'm signing off. I hope you like this video. Informative लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, और अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट you want to buy or check out, so check the description box. Everything is over there. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.